The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit LascoJamaica.com for details. Conditions apply. Tell your loved ones overseas to send your money transfer with MoneyGram, and you could win thousands of prizes, including a trip to Brazil in 2014. Between August 15 and December 31, pick up your money at a Lasco MoneyGram location, and you could win the grand prize of an all-expense-paid trip for two to Brazil, or one of 20 Lasco baskets, or one of 80 prizes of $200 Digicel credits weekly. Plus, you could double your money transfers for the month up to $50,000. Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit LascoJamaica.com for details. Conditions apply.
Good evening, this is the Owen James Report. Jamaica has several debt issues maturing this year, including a €150 million issue, which the government has signaled it wants to refinance via the capital markets. Now, what are its chances of so doing? Well, Gregory, the managing director of Oppenheimer Funds, is betting on Jamaica's chances.
If successful, and I believe it will be, this is a very positive signal from the global markets when it pertains to Jamaica. At Oppenheimer, we're in fact optimistic that Jamaica will be able to tap the international capital markets as long as they comply with the IMF program and continue to remain on track. Kudos for the Jamaica government for displaying the needed courage to accomplish this feat. And I know all too well that it has not been pleasant.
Fisher was speaking earlier this week at the Jamaica Stock Exchange's 9th Regional Conference on the Capital Markets. The Jamaican dollar strengthened slightly against the three regularly traded international currencies today. In other words, the US and Canadian dollars, as well as the British pound, weakened against the local currency. The greenback slipped 1 Jamaican cent to close at an average selling rate of $107.19, whilst the Canadian dollar fell by 71 cents Jamaican to close at $97.08. Sterling declined by 40 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $177.61. News on the Jamaican stock market now, and investors took profit on a wide array of stocks, resulting in a fall of 402 points or 0.5% in the main JC index. 29 stocks traded, with 7 advancing, 12 declining, and 10 holding firm. The winners included Caribbean Cement, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial Services, and Scotia Group. The losers included Carreras, Grace Kennedy Hardware and Lumber, JMMB, Lasco Manufacturing, Sagicors Real Estate X Fund, Seprod, and Supreme Ventures Limited. On the international scene, Spain's unemployment remained above 25% for a 6th straight quarter. This shows the extent of the damage wrought by a 6-year slump in the Euro region's 4th largest economy. The jobless rate was 26% of the workforce in 3 months through to December, compared with 25.98% in the previous quarter. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit LascoJamaica.com for details. Conditions apply.